Hi guys, welcome to Kari Karwa. This is your host Harsh Gandhi
Riya to Rakhya.
and we woke up at 8 a.m. in the morning and we thought let's have one avocado toast. And what is better than one avocado toast?
A lot of avocado toast, and we thought while we are at it, we might as well rate it for you guys and review it.
Yeah, so that you all don't have to.
Yeah.
And we have selected the best places in Bombay from Google, asking our friends.
Yeah, we have done a research,
Yeah.
thorough research.
Yeah, so we've selected top 5 places in Bombay to have avocado toast, and we're gonna try them, review it, rate it, and we're gonna find the best in Bombay.
So let's go.
Let's go.
Hello.
Hello.
So we are at our first place, which is the very famous Bandra Cafe, Bougie Cafe. Could not think of any better place to start off the video with.
Yeah, and it was on the list as well that they've got like an amazing sourdough avocado toast. So yeah, less
go.
talking, more eating.
Yes, let's go.
और रिया जी क्या ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं बताओ.
Well, technically avocado.
Yeah, no shit. We'll ask him how big the portion is,
Avocado toast with seeds.
and then one bonbon has espresso,
Yes.
condensed milk, ice. When was the first time you came to Bougie? No, I'm just asking.
That day
like,
only.
that was
Yeah,
okay.
UP
Oh
Bougie.
shit. Sorry. I came to Bougie 2 years back when a friend of mine introduced me to this place.
Okay.
And just like you, I also had a friend whom I used to just go out on cafes with every
Okay.
weekend,
Ah.
and he used to just include me with every plan with his
Okay.
friends as well.
Huh.
So he made me come over here and he made me try the house cold brew.
We have bonbon coffee here.
You want to start off?
Yeah. Let's try.
Let's do it.
Let's try.
Bro, so good. So good. Lovely, bro. I love it. I love the strength of it actually. Yeah? How is it?
This is the right amount of sweet.
Oh, sweetness.
This is the kind of
also
sweet
good amount of
coffees
coffee
that
as
I
well.
like.
Yeah. Too perfect. Okay, that looks amazing.
Yeah.
The pesto, perfect decision to put it pesto. Guac is perfectly balanced. Nimbu is perfect. Kanda is perfect. Tomato is perfect. The guac is matched very nicely. ये salad वालेड मैं ऐसे side dish है ना. After a while, I just leave it. I just focus on the main food. I just keep it aside. Coffee is strong, but very sweet for my taste. I like very bitter coffees. थोड़ा ज़्यादा condensed milk है. So I think coffee would be like a 6 for me. Sorry, Bougie. But the guac toast is a solid 9. I like it. It's a 9 on 10 for me. It's a solid start of the day. I'm glad this is the first place we came to. So yeah.
I really like the cilantro ka taste more than the pesto. Like it's pesto cilantro, so I really love the cilantro taste and the mixture of lemon with it. Love that. Yeah, I love the toast. So I think a solid 8 on 10 for me because we are yet to try different places. The salad is mid actually. And when it comes to the coffee, I love it because I love sweet coffee. So this is just my kind of coffee. If you really like Vietnamese coffee, I think this is like proper blend of it. I know it's bonbon, but I feel like this has like proper condensed milk and everything. I've tried the Vietnamese one also, but I like this one better. So a solid 8 on 10 for that as well.
Amazing guac toast, but I think I will also have to reduce my rating. I said 9 out of 10, but I think let's keep it at 8 because one toast was for like 550.
So price point.
Yeah, price point is, I don't think this is value for money. 550 for one slice of toast is a lot.
Agree.
I think like 350 would be like perfect price for this.
for this.
Also a lot, but like 350 I think I would give for this quality and
Yeah.
this taste.
Agree.
But yeah, I think
550 is a
7.5 or 8 out of 10 would be a good. So we'll rate it on like taste, value for money, and what else?
Presentation.
Okay, so these 3 would be the parameters. Presentation was
Solid.
normal. Like I mean,
No, I really like the pink.
I
pink
honestly
onions
don't
and
care about
everything.
presentation a lot.
No, I really like the presentations. I think presentation again, but 8 on 10, not like wow, great, amazing.
Yeah, so 8 on 10 for the presentation. For value
Yeah.
for money, it would be 7.
Value for money is 6.
6.
I think that is what
6 out
brings
of
down
10
the whole
because
rating. Because
yeah, damn
550
expensive
and
though.
950 for like 1 and 2 toasts are 2. It's 2.
Yeah.
Like, I would not pay
It was like
950
950 for like 2 slices, 550 for
slices.
one.
Yeah, I would not pay
Damn.
950 for 2 slices.
And then taste was like 9. I loved the taste.
I love the taste, but
Perfect. Well, second place, second avocado. Let's go.
yeah, you're at the village shop, which was like pretty high on the list.
You were second.
Yeah.
First place is still wait for the video. Yeah.
Yeah, wait.
We're gonna do
wait
it
for the
at
of
the end
video.
of the video.
But high expectations, high hopes.
Yeah.
Let's see.
And it looks very pretty because it's
Yeah, the green thing.
like it's a lane which we've crossed by a lot of times, but we have never entered. This is my first time coming at the place. I
Same.
think.
Mine
Oh, you
first.
as well.
Yeah, first
Perfect.
time.
So we've
Yeah.
got high hopes. It's second on the list. Let's go. Let's try it.
Let's go.
What do you want to order?
I really want to order.
It's not a question.
Avocado
Toast. Let's go.
So there's this.
That is what we're
there's
trying
this
out.
thing called avocado disc, and I really want to go for that because it is freshly made avocado, guacamole on whole grain ragi disc, something different, yaar.
Yours one avocado toast. Yes. Have you gone to socials and
तू
have?
तो workout कर लेगा.
हाँ मैं तो.
हाँ भाई. You'll तो burn it off.
That's
What
how
about
you stay
me?
fit. You know. You make other people eat and then you work out.
I don't
that's
need
how,
to.
That's how people stay fit. By making other people
I
fat.
don't need to.
Wow, it is 11:20. It's 11:20, damn.
You should do it with me.
Ooh,
Nice.
nice. Thank you so much.
मतलब same quantity है technically देखने जाओ तो.
It's almost a little more than
No,
one.
same quantity. Because
It's a
Same.
small portion size.
yeah, exactly.
Very small portion size, guys. Damn. But
The
they've
same.
given 2 toasts. Doesn't matter, honestly. Like the surface area is the same.
हाँ, exactly.
The amount of guac is insane. Like it's a this much
Good
toast
amount
and
of-
this much like equal amount of toast and guac.
I like it when there's
Yeah,
like
same.
decent, good amount of pork.
I like when I bite it into it and the guac falls off.
You'll try the salad first this time.
Salad नहीं खा रहा हूँ
You'll
भाई,
try
मैं
the
salad नहीं
salads.
खा रहा हूँ. क्यों
I will
salad
try
खिला
the
रहे हो?
salads once everything else
Let's go.
is done. And
Let's
I will
dig
try
in.
this. So do a lot of other girls.
I actually like the
It
pumpkin
is
seeds and everything on top. हाँ.
That's
Just-
tomato, just saying.
अरे pumpkin seeds भी है.
That's sesame.
अबे ये green वाला mental. Sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds.
Oh, it's microgreens.
भाई तेरे में नहीं डाला है तो मैं
अरे
क्या
वो
करूँ?
microgreen
अच्छा वो
है।
ये है हाँ सारी. उसमें था. बूजी वाले में
Part
था.
2 कैसे फूड ब्लॉगर बनेगा.
बूजी वाले में था भाई.
हाँ उसमें
बूजी
था,
वाले
उसमें
में।
sunflower and pumpkin seeds
I
था.
thought इसमें भी होगा.
Cheers.
Okay, let's go.
This is hitting the right spot.
There's so much guac.
And it's perfectly balanced.
I love it. I love it.
I love guacs, which is like proper garlic
I
taste.
love so much guac.
Lemon garlic taste.
Guac is good though. हो गया. That's all. Saving space for the next one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we'll need. Okay, what are your reviews?
The subject 8 on 10.
I'm rating this lesser than Bougie.
Honestly, bougie ka 1 and
Yeah,
iska ye
this guy
2 is
is
like
still the
literally
same.
the same. Literally the same.
Better than the Bougie one, so definitely 8.5 for value for money.
8.5.
Yeah, and 7 for the overall taste. Guac is good 9,
Yeah,
but then the
but,
toast
the-
is like 6. Not even 6. It has a very bitter aftertaste. So 7 yaar.
6.57 but
Yeah.
I like how it's in-house baked and fresh.
हाँ, in-house है, but like.
मुझे पसंद आया taste.
Sorry, okay, fine. 7 on 10 for the taste for me. Let's go.
Yeah.
Are you done with avocados?
Not really, not
No?
yet.
Can you
not
eat more?
yet. Yeah, I can.
Okay.
Not yet, but
Okay.
I think third or fourth place ke baad I would be done.
No, I'm liking it. I think I haven't had enough at a point where I'm like, oh shit, yeah, now I can't
Oh,
have
yeah.
any more
Because
avocados.
we are also sharing the half of
Yeah,
the portions. I think
but
it works.
perfect. We are on to the third place
Project
already.
Hum.
It's a very famous place.
Yeah.
And I've seen it a lot on like Instagram reels and everywhere.
Again, my first
So,
time here.
Again, same. And
yeah.
I'm very excited to try because I've heard too many good things about it.
Okay.
So,
I hope
let's give it a
lives up
shot.
to the
Let's go.
expectations.
Hi, can we do one avocado open toast and one watermelon juice? Damn bro,
Yeah,
ये
I
सब
was
तो मुझे
saying-
नहीं पता था.
I
हाँ.
was saying I tried lychee with Nutella shake, and it tasted really good. Vidur and Parvi approved it.
Why you give
It's such a Imagine
a
lychee
broken.
with-
Imagine lychee with Nutella. Actually, imagine
imagine
lychee.
lychee with Nutella.
It's horrible.
Two sweet things together always work well. Almost always work well.
But it's
especially
like-
when it's
no.
a fruit and a chocolate thing.
No.
It's
See, strawberry and chocolate work
Ah.
because it's like an
I'm
age-old
going to make you
combination.
try it.
But I'll hang myself rather than trying lychee and Nutella shake. They've given each pairing and
Lychee
why
and
it is.
chocolate is an underrated combination.
Let's keep it underrated. Let's not make people try it.
Unpopular opinion right there. But lychee and chocolate is an underrated combination.
It's like a hidden gem, which
No.
should be kept hidden.
No.
Yeah.
No, I
Keep
saw
it
that
hidden.
coming. No.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, they've given us sweet potato fries with that.
Yeah.
Oh, they've got cherry tomatoes. I love cherry
I don't
tomatoes,
like
bro.
cherry tomatoes.
You don't like cherry tomatoes? I love cherry tomatoes. You gotta start with.
Fries.
Oh,
Lena.
have. Oh. Damn. Sweet potato fries are damn good.
Is it sweet potato fries?
No. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's sweet.
It's sweet. The people who don't
I
like
don't mind,
sweet
actually.
taste in avocado toast, I don't think
I
they
don't
like.
mind the sweet
Even
taste,
I don't
yeah.
mind. But like
Mm.
not
Brother. Crazy.
he's just focused on the fries now.
Crazy
Like,
कर दिया भाई fries के साथ
chopped
तो crazy कर
avocado.
दिया भाई.
Chuck avocado toast. Fries is the shit.
So they've got the normal guac, which it is, and on the bottom as a sauce they've put like bell pepper jam, which is a little sweet. The first bite was insanely good because everything matched. But now that I'm eating more of it, it's getting more sweeter.
I like
I
it.
do
I
not
like-
like my avocado toast to be sweet.
That's what exactly what I said. Like,
Yeah.
people, yeah. But I don't mind this because I also don't like much sweetness.
Yeah.
Like there have been places where I've had like sweet avocado toast. Not my thing for sure, but this one works. Like the flavors, I think go well with each
They are
other.
complementing each other,
Yeah, they're
definitely.
complementing each
Everything
other. They're not,
in
like,
a package
contradicting or-
tastes very good. Rating,
Should I start?
yeah, please.
I like it. I think 9 on 10. I really like it. I mean better than Bougie. For me, because I like the sweet taste, I like the flavors happening, and I'll give it to that. I like the how flavors are complementing each other.
I've
I
rated
really like
7
that.
for the village shop, 8 for bougie.
Don't go for 6 for this. I'm kidding.
No, it's not. It's not.
It's not a
They've
6.
given sweet potato fries also, so it will be at par with village shop. I'm giving it 7 on 10. Value for money, I think it's the same.
Huh.
That was 420. This is 410.
This
Is
is
the
filling.
exact. Sorry.
This is filling.
Yeah, this is a little more than what we got on village shop. So yeah, I think good.
8.59.
8.5 for the value for money. Taste, I would give it 7. For her, it's a 9.
9. 8
Which is
solid 8.5 9.
Insane.
Yeah.
Insane. Damn. Okay.
The more I'm eating it, the more I'm liking the bell pepper taste.
It's the exact opposite for me, honestly. But yeah, you can see the spectrum of the reviews which you are giving at this point. Very two different people.
People just
Yeah, coming together to eat this. So now you know
But to
it's
sum it up,
completely
I
up to
think-
your preferences of what you like.
exactly. I was coming to that only. To sum it up, I think if you like thoda sa bhi sweetness in your avocado toast, complementing the whole taste,
You'll love this.
you'll love this.
Yeah.
But if you don't like that, then I think you can pass on this.
Yeah,
one
I'm
for
more of a
sure.
like a savory, spicy
Yeah.
person. So
Then
I
you can
wouldn't
pass
want.
on this
Yeah, but the sweet potato fries, 9.5. Solid 9.5 out of 10.
Yeah. Haan,
Crazy
for
crunch,
sure.
crazy
For sure.
softness inside,
Yeah.
good spice level, good
Good
combo,
flavor.
good combo. Give us one of the avocado toasts, and do you want some suggestions?
Yeah.
What would you suggest for coolers? Something sweet. Pomegranate basil.
Let's go for that. I don't mind.
What else is there? Mixed berries is also there. Not your thing.
But we can order two different. It's fine.
I
We are
mean,
anyways we're thirsty.
let's do one pomegranate basil, and let's do blueberry avocado. We're having two dishes of avocado.
Yeah.
One in a smoothie and one in a toast. Just to point it, the avocado toast is for 750 rupees only. I don't know how much the quantity is, but if they give one, I'm sorry, but was it like one or two?
Two.
Like one cut into two? Or
अब वो
two?
नहीं याद है मुझे वही मैं
Oh,
बोल रही हूँ
shit.
ना कि it has been like a while.
If
not
they
a
give
while,
one
actually,
toast
or two
cut
days.
into two for 750,
Yeah.
I will flip that now.
You will?
No, I won't.
Yeah.
No, I
Let's
won't.
try doing that.
बहुत मेहनत से ये जगह मिल गया शूट करने के लिए.
Let's try doing that.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, she's been telling me to keep this as a last because she has the highest hopes for this.
For this one,
Let's see how it turns out actually.
I really.
Hopefully, let's go. Bro, this looks good. But एक ही दिया. एक को काट के दो कर दिया.
Look at the
But-
presentation.
It looks very pretty, bro. It looks prettier than all of the toast that we've had till now. It is with a side
So
of like
this-
French fries and coleslaw.
So the best part about it is the crunch.
Yeah.
That is what I
I've
was
had
not
these-
telling you.
I've had these crunches.
Yeah, I love
Yeah.
how.
Banana ones only, na thin ones.
And I'm not sure if it's
Thin.
banana. Let's try. It's not banana. I think that's sweet potato. That's sweet potato.
There are some crisps. I don't. Yeah. No, sweet potato would be these, na.
Excuse me.
These are sweet potato ones. These are sweet potatoes. Oh, these are sweet potato ones. Okay, you were right. Okay.
So
Yeah.
the crunch is my favorite part
It is.
about this avocado.
It's nicely
Yeah.
spiced also, bro. It's peri peri.
Avocado toast के साथ खा.
Okay, let's go. Oh, the hummus is garlicky.
I told you, no, okay. I like garlic taste in avocado
Yeah.
toast. And this one just hits that spot for me.
Oh, the avocado is good, bro. It's less, but how much ever it is, fresh. Fresh as
very
hell.
fresh, yeah. What do you think? What's your first review?
I would have liked less hummus, more avocado.
Fair.
Yeah, it's hummus is a little overpowering.
Yeah.
A lot of garlic. But if I try only avocado, damn good, bro. Avocado
That's
is
good, I
very
tried
fresh.
it, yeah.
For now, Guji has been number one for me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh?
Achha, I thought you were ranking them.
No.
Fair. Okay.
Till now.
Comparing. Fair.
Or cafe has been the last. Because we didn't try. Wow.
I can have the whole toast to myself.
Bro. Wow. I actually like this, huh?
Yeah.
I actually like this. It's quite nice. Good recommendation. Good recommendation.
Yay.
Especially with the crisp and everything as a package combo is good.
It's just perfect.
Yeah.
That is what I loved about it. कि nature से ऊपर. It's like
Yeah.
I just don't want to leave any part of
Yeah.
it, you know.
Yeah. Honestly, I could have avoided the hummus.
Yeah, I think it's
Yeah.
just adding to the garlicky taste. That's it.
Yeah.
Nothing much.
But it's a lot when hummus comes in. Like then I can't taste the avocado at all. But it is definitely better than ये थर्ड जगह कौन सा था?
The village.
Hum.
Better than hum?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you
For
did.
me,
Oh,
this
fair.
is better than Project
You
Hum
did
because
not
I
like-
didn't. It was very sweet for me. That's all there. Oh, brother, that looks good.
Every time you say brother, I'll be like brother in the. Every time.
I've ordered a blueberry, avocado, granola, pumpkin seeds bowl. And she's ordered a pomegranate and basil refresher cooler.
Yes.
Damn, this looks very nice.
I thought it not even wait. Sorry. I was too
Besharam,
thirsty.
besharam.
Love it. Refreshing.
Wow. Oh, this is refreshing. Good cooler. I wanna try my bowl. Let's go. भाई ये क्या चम्मच है? Let's
I'm
go.
very happy with the avocado toast. Very happy. Like if you don't. Alright.
Brother,
Brother.
this bowl is crazy. Okay, rating time. This is number 2 for me. Yeah, this is number 2. First is as much as we criticized value for money and all of that to Bougie,
See,
you
we are not
still
cons-
see honestly value for money your and Bougie this is worse for value for money.
You finish your review film. Yeah.
Yeah,
I
so
personally feel कि packaging.
yeah, plus we're getting fries and everything.
Way better.
Agreed.
Like it's a person can have this and
Yeah.
get done for at least a high tea kind
Or
of a
like
thing.
max to max, the value for money is equal to what Bougie is.
Equal,
Yeah,
at par.
Yeah.
At par.
because that was 550.
Yeah.
This is like 750. So for me, I think if you reduce the hummus and put more avocado, this would be game over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Top.
I just don't like the overload of garlic in my.
Okay.
Like whenever I take the
Fair.
hummus wala bite,
Then it's going to.
it's only tasting like hummus. Avocado just vanishes
Yeah,
from the
because
taste.
it's on the side. Yeah.
Yeah, because it is too strong of a flavor that overpowers avocado. So for that, second number for me. First is Bougie. Second is this. Third is The Village Shop. Fourth is Project Hum. Fifth is Earth Cafe.
I think it would be first. This one would go on top of my list because I told you that when it comes to the bougie one, I loved the pesto and the cilantro taste. But again,
Yeah,
I
same.
don't know, have a soft corner for the crispiness that they've added here. Have a soft corner. I love that.
Different
I love
textures.
Yeah, I love that.
Mm.
So definitely first this, second bougie, third hum, and fourth village. Because I like the sweet thing.
Fair
you know,
enough.
the-
You like hum more,
Actually,
huh?
second hum and third bougie, and then fourth
Wow.
Village.
Drastic.
one.
Right?
Yeah.
All
Fifth cafe.
all four are different, huh? All four are different.
different orders.
Yeah, different orders.
Yeah. I
Crazy.
think इसमें दिखा कि how our taste buds are very different
Yeah, very different.
when it comes to the savory food items.
Yeah, so if you all relate to my taste palette, then you
go
know
for
what
his
to do.
recommendations, and if you
Yeah.
relate to mine, then go for my recommendations.
Perfect. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Wholesome,
If you
very
like-
wholesome. Very nice. Well, this was the day.
Yeah, we are happy, satisfied
Yeah.
kids. Clearly,
I am तो in another zone only. मेरे से हो चुका है.
he's like
I
in
am-
zen mode.
Yeah, I've reached
Need
the
my
peak.
belt,
Our
need- yeah.
satisfaction का peak पहुंच चुका है.
Yeah,
Yeah, this was like a
This
very
was fun.
nice meal
Yeah.
with a dessert also. तो
हाँ,
ऐसे मजा आ गया
हो
मुझे.
गया
मैं
इसका.
set हूँ.
इसका हो
अभी.
गया. Okay.
Let's do 5, 4, 4.
हाँ ठीक है done.
5 is the same.
Five
Let's
is the
go. What's
same.
your fourth? I feel bad about.
Earth Cafe.
Yeah.
Guys, it's a good cafe. I have tried the avocado toast personally. I really liked it, and that's why it was on the list. But they did not allow us to shoot. But that's that. It's okay. It's fine. Fourth,
Not available. NA
not
डालते हैं.
available.
NA
हाँ,
डालते हैं,
it's not
हाँ.
like on fifth.
Yeah,
it's just
not
not
the last.
available. Yeah. Fourth for me would be the Village Shop.
Okay. For
Yeah.
me, it is Project Hum. In
Because of
fourth
the
list.
sweetness.
Because of the sweetness.
Fair.
That's
Okay.
all.
On fourth. On
third.
third. You'll hate me for this, but Bougie Cafe. Because I feel the other two were better, and all of these three I loved, but has to be. Yeah. You have to rank it. So.
It's okay. It's different choices. What else?
Yeah,
Can't
different
help.
choices. Exactly.
For me, I think third was the Village Shop. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fair. Second for me would be Project Hum. Project Hum.
I knew it. I knew
Yeah.
it. For me, second would be this. This was damn good, except
Yeah.
that hummus.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all.
And first, of course, for me it's 1BHK.
For me, first was Bougie Cafe.
Bye.
Pesto. Love the pesto. No, it's not biased. It was just
was
my
biased.
taste preferences.
I get it.
honestly.
I get it. He loved the
But-
pesto taste in it.
Yeah, pesto and cilantro
Pesto and
was too
cilantro
good.
taste in it.
So yeah, these were the top 5 avocado places in Bombay. So make sure that you send it to a friend who loves their avocado toast. And if you like the video,
Like, comment, subscribe, all of the good stuff.
yeah, and please press the bell icon so that you get notified every single time we
Yeah.
drop a video.
Because
which is
we would be
every
coming
Saturday.
up. Yeah, and we will be coming up with a lot more reviews.
Definitely.
And if you guys want anything specific, do let us know in the comment section below.
Perfect. Till then,
Yeah.
I'm gonna see you in the next one.
Yes.
See you.
Bye.